All right, guys, so I just came back from the ranch and cleaning out Thunder's stall and riding him and training him for about, I don't know, 8 hours today. And I'm hungry and it's time to eat. And I thought I would do sort of my what I eat in a day and my ninja review. It's 2 in 1, right? So here we go. I literally just walked in the door. I still have my workout top on from working out first and then going to the ranch afterwards and then being there all day. So this is typically how my life is. So I'm going to use this ninja and I've got some pork loin right here. Bam! I love pork. So for you people who are like, I don't eat pork, I feel bad for you. So let's do this whole ninja review thing here. So this is a ninja. I got it on Amazon, right? My friend's like, you gotta get it. It's like $99 or something like that. It's simple because I don't have to use skillet. I don't have to put oil in it. I don't got to do nothing. No, just boom. I'll put all the butter in afterwards. So I just go, and it's got a rack too to crisp it up. I'm gonna crisp it up, but this is really for you can put this little rack up in here like this, and then put your chicken thigh, especially with the skin, or the drummies. And afterwards, I'm gonna eat my avocado. It's the only thing I'm doing that's not friggin', what is it? Carnivore, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go, this is I'm prepping food. Oh, prepping food video as well. Okay, fabulous. Okay, so I'm going to put all of these up in here. And I will pull them out. So I'm going to cook 3 of them. This is probably about 4 ounces, and it should cook to about 3 ounces when I'm done. Boop! And in it goes. Right? So let's see here. It's got a little sticky here on the side, giving you the times of different types of food like fish and, well, I don't eat French fries. Okay. It's got the drummies and it's got meat here. So let's go for, let's see here. Bing. I'm going to go for 10 just to see how it turns out and report back to you guys. Okay. Let's talk a little bit while this is cooking. Alright guys, so, it's kind of noisy, right? So, let's see how this works out at the end. This is typically what I'll do. I have salmon, I've got liver, I've got heart, beef heart. I have beef liver and chicken liver. I have, what else do I have? I have salmon, I've got pork, I've got lamb, I've got beef, and I got chicken thighs and chicken legs and avocado and salt. Oh, one more thing. I can't believe I used to make videos for 15 minutes. I was like, I got some energy. I can't believe I did that. And I have my colostrum. I love ancestral supplements. I'm just, they've got kidney, they've got brain, they've got thymus, spleen, trachea, lung, thyroid, adrenals, testicles. Yep, for the man with the. And then they've got all kinds of stuff. I've been approached many times over the years to have an affiliate program, and I've said no to everybody except for them. Love, leaky gut, love, and histamine, thymus, or kidney, right? People are like, do I take the thyroid for the thyroid? Yeah. You can take the gallbladder, or they do gallbladder. Lungs for the lungs, but thymus and kidney are really for diamine oxidase deficiency, otherwise known as DAO. Brain is really great because it's head to tail, not nose. For vitamin D, well, I just eat liver. I don't do a liver freeze-dried, desiccated, because I can just eat it all day. All right, guys, I will report back what happens with this hold tight. I already killed 5 minutes. And stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I just went and got my avocado and I cut it open. And see, I ride my bike a lot here in LA, and the chain, I got this big heavy chain, was smashing up against my avocados, which if I hadn't put the avocados with my chain, it wouldn't be brown and mushy like this. Get smashed on that side. But the reason, forgive the noise, so people chill on the noise, chill. So the reason why I eat avocado and I am not doing 100% carnivore anymore is because I need the potassium. Now, you can get potassium citrate, but I'd like to not use supplements. I've explained this before. Avoid supplementation like it's the plague. Only use supplements when you need to, like ox bile for those who've got gallbladder sludge or stones, or what else? Okay, you have to take magnesium because we just don't get enough in our soil. So it's really important to take magnesium glycinate. This is all old news for a lot of you guys who follow me for a while. Then also we need, or you can take potassium citrate, or you can just get it from here, boop, or you can get it from doing a meat broth. Now I've got up there in my cabinet, 6-quart slow cooker. So often I tell people to get some beef, leaner cut or red meat, leaner, because the leaner the cut are like near the leg, the more potassium you're going to get in that, and slow cook it for about 4 to 5 hours. And just make like a soup out of it. Now, the bone broth thing was so stupid. Now I get it. Like, trends come, it's weird. Oh, keto. Oh, bone broth. Oh, intermittent fasting. Oh, beta hydroxybutyrate junk salts. You guys learn more. So, bone broth, unfortunately, for those who've got histamine, react to the glutamate in the marrow. And then sometimes people have stones and they react to the oxalates in the marrow, unfortunately. So if you don't have a latex allergy, so people can't deal with rubber gloves, which I'm so glad that I can, because today I was like cleaning out thunder stall with rubber gloves, and they're latex. And when people get a rash on their hand, they can't eat avocado because it's coming from the tree, the same tree. Now, so typically I'll have a whole avocado, have Haas. Just cut it open. I saw how freaking smashed it was. But I'm sure this part's going to be really good. I'm burning up the time. We're doing this live, right? To see the results of the Ninja. We got 2 minutes left. So I'll probably put it on pause again. What I love about this Ninja is that I'll just throw meat in there and walk away, and like I'll coming home and I'll take off all of this stuff from the ranch, and because it's nighttime right now, you guys, and do whatever I need to do. Go answer the social media questions, or go to my Facebook, and I have a course page, keto course page, and I do keto, omnivore, carnivore, and I also do low carb, high fat for people who've got hypoglycemia and have a hard time just jumping straight into being ketotic and need lower carbs and higher fats, and know how to put the macros together. So I go home and I'll start answering questions there, or I create course lessons every day, so I'll go and check my research before I upload it. Wednesdays, you guys, I do live streaming at the studio, so I'll go and start the course lesson or the presentation in the morning, and I'll finish it like after the ranch for tomorrow, for example. But I'm not shooting tomorrow. All right, where are we? Let's see in real time. Let's pause this, because you can pause it. Okay, so it's still cooking, right? Fabulous. So I think because these are a bit thick cuts, I'm gonna have to cook it twice. Got my scissors here. Let's see what the middle looks like, guys. that was only after 8 minutes. Let me see here. Move my avocado because we're doing this live. Live, all the way live. Oh, it's cooked a little bit in the middle. So I think I'm going to go, see, it's still a little raw pink in the middle. Can you guys see that? I better not drop this. Boop. So I'm going to put this back in and go all together. You can go up to 20 minutes. I'm going to go up to 14. Okay, guys. I will post the results later. Right now, I need to go and get undressed and I could go take a shower, and I need to, yes, enjoy my life. Make sure you eat your food slowly for those who've got low stomach acid, otherwise hypochlorhydria, especially the protein for those who have acid reflux. You might want to consider betaine HCl with pepsin. Don't forget to go to my Instagram channel, which is Stephanie Ketogenic, and I do stuff on my stories every single day. All keto, health, everything, it's bomb. Also, you can go and book a consultation. I do consultations, stephanieperson.com, which I love. I love doing consultations. I've been doing over 3,000 over the years. And that's where I get my data, is from you guys. I study, I research, and then I put together what I learned from all the people who've got all types of things going on. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. You can also go to my Facebook fan page. We are not ready yet. Let's see. We're still not ready. No, still needs to cook longer. So let's go for 5. 5, all the way 5. And I'm out. Deuces! I got some energy. Even 8 hours, even in the evening, even after the gym, even after work, I still got energy, and I'm out. Peace.